We must be prepared to challenge the boundaries and work together to help the business world to rise to the transformation required for a sustainable future. The challenges are global, and overcoming them will require international collaboration.
So finance and business mindset and skill is very crucial if we want to make the change, especially on sustainability.
You need to have the guts to say the right word. You need to have that guts to be very true to yourself.
If we wanted to be a difference maker, the question to ourselves is how long that we wanted to go.
If we cannot get the counting right, and that is for you guys, we don't know if there's progress or not, whilst the world burns under our feet.
2021 is the year of recovery, but we also see unevenness of the global recovery.
So this has given us immense confidence that the future of this profession is indeed in a good hands.